The main constituent of E equals to mc square is Doppler effect. Doppler effect is, as we move towards the object, the light reaching us from the object shifts towards the blue end of the spectrum, and as we move far from it, the light reaching us from the object shifts towards the red end of the spectrum. This results in the relativistic energy with a magnitude of E times 1 plus velocity of object squared divided by twice the speed of light squared. Let us take an example. Assume your friend is a mutant who glows like the kid in the movie Sky High. He is stationary on ground and you are in the bus, leaving him behind. Now, with respect to you, you are stationary and your friend is moving and gaining kinetic energy. At this instant, he emits the light from his body, and this means, according to Doppler, he is losing energy as shown. Let us consider another case. You are stationary along with your friend, and he emitted light from his body. According to Doppler, as V equals to 0, energy loss is E. And now, you flew away, boarding in the bus. With respect to you, he is gaining kinetic energy. But in either cases, you haven't influenced your friend in any way, so the total energy in both cases must be equal. On rearranging the above equation, we get the difference between kinetic energies of both cases. We know kinetic energy of a body is half times its mass and velocity squared, but in both cases, the velocities are same, thus by cancelling the terms. In order to acquire the difference, the mass of your friend will be changing. If we denote the difference between masses as capital M, and by rearranging the equation, we get E equals mc square.